guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Sakia and we're back with another video. So you guys, in this vlog we're gonna be doing my birthday prep. I am now on the way, well, I'm gonna be on the way in a minute to go get my nails done by the best. I literally only go to Sierra. Don't book with my girl because I need a spot. After I get my spot, then we can book. But yeah, you guys, I booked the gold. I booked the birthday set. Freestyle, so kind of like she can do whatever like she feels like she want to do, because I really don't have an idea as long as it's gold. I'm so excited, you guys. I also do have to hit up the mall. I may go today or tomorrow because I don't have heels to go with my second outfit. So yeah, you guys, come with me to do that. I'm super excited. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you guys for coming back to another video. And yeah, watch me get ready for my birthday. Oh, and my birthday's in 2 days. Today is the 7th. It's Monday. My birthday's on Wednesday, so I'm super excited. But yeah, let's go, you guys. So you guys, we're back. Y'all, why did my camera die in the middle of my appointment? So I did film some of it, but I didn't get all of it, but I'm gonna insert the clip where she recorded after we was done. But this is what we have. Real cute. It's gold. I don't know if y'all can see that. Oh yeah, y'all can see gold and white. So yeah, we have that. Super cute. Love it. I'm probably gonna run all my errands tomorrow, so because my camera is dead and I cannot record and it's going to die. So I might run most of my errands tomorrow. Now me and my homegirl about to go get some lunch because I'm starving. I didn't eat all day. But yeah, I'm gonna see you guys when I get to Chick-fil-A. Good morning. I'm actually pissed. I literally don't feel like getting up. Not that I have to get up, but well, yes I do, because I need to like clean up. I need to shave my legs. And then after all that, I need to go to the shoe store to see if I can find some shoes. It's currently too early. That's what it is. But yeah, it's about 7:30. It's August 8th. My birthday's tomorrow. Super excited. But it's hard to be excited when I'm tired right now. I'm tired. Like, I'm just tired. Look at my nails. They're so freaking cute. So I've been looking at them ever since I got them done. Like, they're so freaking cute. But yeah, I have to just get up, clean up, brush my teeth, get in the shower, shave my legs, you know, all that good stuff. Yeah, so I just finished cleaning up. Now I'm about to brush my teeth, get in the shower, shave my legs while I'm in the shower. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm just listening to music, lit a little candle, baby. That's how you set the good vibes for cleaning up. Yeah, I'm about to do that. Probably not gonna record that simple because like how I'm gonna record in the shop, how I'm gonna record myself shaving my legs and get my camera wet. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all after the shower. So you guys, I just finished, you know, getting some clothes on. I'm literally wearing like a bummy fade, literally. Just crop top, shorts, and not even jean shorts, like basketball shorts, because I just don't feel like having on nothing tight. So now I'm just hot combing the front of my hair simply because I was in the shower. And like, I guess the sweat from my bonnet, because I was in there for a long time, and y'all, I get hot fast. It made the my edges straight up. I'm really just doing this just in case. Just in case I don't have time to come back home when I go out to run errands. And I have to go straight to my hair appointment. Alright, don't really need too much of that. Something simple. I don't really want to be bothered with my face today. I mean, with my hair today. But yeah, you guys, so now I think I'm gonna head to, where should I go first? I gotta go to the hair store, grocery store, shoe store, and then I gotta get my feet done. 4 places, y'all. So yeah, y'all, I'm just going to do my last, like, get my purse, socks, shoes, and then we're heading out the door. Y'all, I was trying to set my phone up, but it's literally aggravating me, so yeah, there's that. But yeah, I'm in the car. I'm about to head over to I don't even know where I want to go first. It's almost like I kind of want to go to the grocery store first, but I'm gonna go to the hair store first. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna go to the hair store first simply because I need that. Then I'm gonna head over to the grocery store to get the flowers and like the supplies to make the little, you know what I'm talking about, blah 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 blah.
I love you, baby. Yeah. And I'm the reason.
Period. Pounds out. Just let pounds out. That's how I'm feeling for my birthday. Y'all, I gotta figure out what freaking supplies. I gotta figure out what supplies she had because, ew, oh my god, it's this freaking dragon. It's 2 dragonflies attached to each other flying around. But anyways, I have to figure out what freaking stuff she used, like for the paper part, like the paper that goes around the flowers, because I know obviously you buy the flowers, but you know what I'm saying. So y'all, I love how when I walk in Kroger, the flowers are like right here in the front. I love that. So I think I'm gonna get pretty sure I'm gonna get these, like 2 or 3 of these. So pretty. But yeah, so I'm about to look up like the paper stuff that she used. But yeah, y'all, I got these flowers. So now I'm about to look for paper. Hold on. So I am on the way to Dollar Tree so I can see if I can go find that paper. Then I'm gonna link up with my friends and we're gonna go to the place that I'm getting my shoes from. Yeah, got the flowers, y'all. I'm so excited. They're so beautiful. I'm so excited. Y'all, I'm just arriving to Dollar General. Let's see what they have. Doesn't look like they're gonna have anything, because it's like I don't really know the paper that I'm looking for. I just know I'm looking for paper. I need to come back. Give me a second. So you guys, I made it to my homegirl's house. I ended up finding some cute, I seen that you could literally just use like gift paper, and I found this super cute gold, as y'all can see. So yeah, I'm gonna just like use probably like a couple papers so it can be like thick, when it probably doesn't even need to be thick. I'll just have to see once I'm making it. But yeah, so I'm super excited about that because I thought I wasn't gonna find the paper, and I was just getting stressed out and I was getting aggravated and it was too much. But yeah, I found the paper. Now, once from my homegirl, I'm gonna go to my our other friend's house, and he's gonna drive, and then I'm gonna go to the shoe store and the hair store. So those are my last two things I have to do: shoe store and the hair store. I've done everything else. Next will be hair, and then from hair I should be on the way to Charlotte so I can go take my pictures. So guys, we are in the hair store, and I'm looking for the hair that my mom told me I should get. This is what my mom sent me, so I'm gonna try to find it. So y'all, this is the hair my mom told me to get. I'm gonna get 2 of them because this is 2 bundles for my ponytail, and I'm gonna leave it at that. Yeah, y'all, so I got the hair, so okay, that's I'm happy because okay, we got that done. Only thing I have to do is make the flowers and find shoes. If I don't find shoes, worst case scenario, my mom has something, so I'm not really too pressed about it, but hopefully I can find something.
No, we gonna find these motherfucking heels.
You say your mom has something?
Yeah, she has something.
You need what you want? That's nice.
I mean, I don't remember all her heels, but she got some. She got to.
She have some.
She have to have some. But yeah, y'all, so now we're about to go. We rode past this little boutique, and we're gonna try it to see if they might have something nice, maybe. But yeah, once I do this, that's really it. So y'all, it's like super cute in here. It's very cute in here. So it's between these, because the jumpsuit is green, so I feel like this off green will be super cute, because I feel like silver will like slightly ugly, I think. But it's between those or these. I'm thinking I possibly could do these simply because these are cute, or these. These are cute too. I want to try both, you guys. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna try this on. Okay, y'all, these are like cute.
Wow. Yo, that's how you gonna make the clothes.
Is so y'all, I'm about to go to my hair appointment. Pretty much everything is done. After I get my hair done, you guys, I can go get my feet done and we'll be good, you guys. So I'll see you guys at my hair appointment. So you guys, I'm back. Oh my gosh, the wind has to stop because baby don't miss these glamorous bangs. So y'all, I just finished getting my hair done. I'm gonna show you a better look in the car. So yeah, y'all, here's a better look. Super cute. I'm probably gonna pull the bun out just a little bit. I don't really want like a super tight pinup, and I may add more hair to the bangs because I like a real thick bang, you know what I'm saying? So, but I love it overall. I'm super happy. I'm so excited, y'all. And yeah, now I'm currently gonna go home so I can go get my stuff ready, and then we're gonna take a trip down to Charlotte, y'all, so I can go ahead and take my pictures. Hey y'all, so I'm back home. So first I'm about to see if I can do this bouquet, y'all. I honestly don't know how it's gonna go, but I have a little bit of time simply because I didn't want to hurry up. Yeah, so I didn't want to, I don't even know what I said, but let's just try, y'all. Worst case scenario, we just don't even fucking do it, period. I love that. Y'all, to be honest, I will wrap these shits just like this. Hold it up here. It doesn't hurt that bad up here. Okay, that's cute. Hell no.
Okay, how about you holding that door?
You guys, look at what me and Puddin made. It's so pretty, y'all. Mind y'all, I've never done nothing like this before. I don't think Puddin, have you did this before? Y'all, we literally just watched a TikTok video and we just did it. I'm obviously gonna probably do this side simply because I don't really like the silver, but that's how it came. Here, y'all. So I'm gonna pack my bag and then me and Puddin are gonna get on the road.